How to get gems in Duolingo. If any day any of you are a Duolingo user like me and you would like to gain the gems in Duolingo but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Duolingo application on your mobile device. After you tap on Duolingo like this, Duolingo will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to make sure that you have also continued to a lesson like this of any of the language. For example, I'm learning the French language for the present. Otherwise, I'd also enrolled in the Turkish language, the Chinese language, the Spanish language. So you can tap on any of the language that you'd like to learn. Now after that, you can see the various kind of lessons here. You have to tap on the option there and you have to continue the lesson. So whenever you continue the lesson and you play the lesson and you learn the lesson, you will gain a type of gems. For example, by learning so many kind of lessons, I have earned 1286 gems out here. Now if you'd like to buy any of the gems as well, you can do that as well. You can go to the option of the shop here like this, and after you go to the option of shop here like this, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to just scroll downwards and you can see the interface of gems. Now here you can buy the various kind of gems as well. For example, for 1200 gems it costs $4.99. For 3000 gems it costs $9.99. For 6500 gems it costs $19.99. So you can just buy them as well. So these are the ways on how you can gain gems on Duolingo. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.